Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to another episode of this free Apple Notes course where we'll be focusing on collaboration. Collaboration lets you work on notes with your colleagues in real time. To get started, go to the share icon on your toolbar. Collaborate is the default option for sharing notes out of Apple Notes, so you might not need to change it. But if you do, simply tap on it. You can choose permissions for your notebook to determine who can access your document, only people you invite, or anyone with a link. You can also control who can edit the document. Can make changes allows everyone you invite to make changes to your document, while view only will let them view the notes without making any changes to them. Lastly, you can allow others to invite people to the collaboration. This option is only available if you're sharing with selected people though. But if you want to control who is invited, then we suggest you turn this off. The best way to share a collaboration document is via messages. It is the only way to share documents you are working on with invited people only. Once you start collaborating, Apple Notes displays a cursor showing who is typing and where. By default, participant cursor is turned on, but you can turn it off by going to the collaboration icon to manage the collaboration. The collaboration icon houses some options for your collaboration. Tapping messages starts a conversation on the notes you're collaborating on. Messages then automatically creates a thread under the document. You can also start a FaceTime video or audio call with everyone you're collaborating with. This automatically adds everyone to the call. Below your communication options, the app displays a summary of the latest updates made to the notes in your absence. You can go to Show Updates to expand the summary and see all the activity on the document. You will get a list of all the changes that have been made. You can also access it by going to Show All Activity a bit further down. Apple Notes tells you who did what and when they did it. Tapping on the changes highlights them. This, however, only works on typed notes, not on handwritten ones. You can see the participants who are currently online and Show Highlights displays who made what changes on the left side of the screen. You can bring this up by swiping to the right and hide it by swiping to the left from anywhere on your screen. Manage Shared Notes opens a pop-up window that lists everyone collaborating on your document. Tapping on a person's name gives you options to control each participant's permissions. You can choose if they can make changes or not. You can also decide if they can add people to the collaboration. When you no longer want to work with someone, you can block them from the notes. Back at the main window, you can share with more people. to invite more people to collaborate on your notes. Highlight all changes if you want any changes to be highlighted. It makes them easier to spot. When you turn off hide alerts, you will not receive any notifications when someone makes changes. Alerts come to messages and notification center when you're collaborating. Share options controls all the permissions for everyone, exactly like you get when you first start sharing the notes. You can copy link to share it with more people, or stop sharing with everyone to stop collaborating on your notes. When someone invites you to collaborate on a document via messages, tap the notebook to retrieve its contents, then go to Open to start collaborating on it. When you don't have permissions to make changes, you will only view the document. Tapping on the screen won't bring up the keyboard, and all the editing tools on the toolbar will be unavailable, so you can't handwrite or type anything. Your options under the collaboration icon remain the same regardless of whether or not you can make changes to the notes. As a participant, under Manage Shared Notes, you will be able to turn off, highlight all changes, and hide alerts if you want to. You also have the option to copy the link. That is all on collaboration for Apple Notes. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like learning about how to use different apps on different devices. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next episode.